Welcome to Synchronous Motor part 13 video. We'll compare converters today. In the tabular column, we will be seeing the aspects for comparison or what are the parameters to be compared in the first column. And the second item, it is the rectifier, which will be rectifying AC to DC. And this is MG set. We know there will be two machines, one motor and one generator, and we last studied about rotary converter. It is a single machine which is both synchronous motor and DC generator. Let us compare one by one. The first point, requirement of machinery. For the converter rectifier, there is no moving machine, rotating machine, nothing is either. It is totally static. And in the MG set, we know there are two machines, one for AC and other for DC generator. They will be mechanically coupled. And for the rotary converter, it is a single machine which is having a armature winding, and it can be fed AC supply, and output we will be getting as DC. And additionally, it will be having a DC field winding. The cost part. About rectifier, it is comparatively very cheap compared to the same capacity. The MG set and rotary converter, compared to that, inverter or rectifier will be having lesser cost, and the MG set, because of two machines are required, it is high cost, and rotary converter, it is comparatively medium in between that of rectifier and MG set. From this we can understand that actually in industry the cost will be the main concern, so that the rectifier will be the first option for the usage. And noise, the rectifier is having lesser noise, comparatively it is a noiseless operation, and MG set, because of two machines, it is a noisy operation, and rotary converter also will be having noise. Efficiency, let us say efficiency, it is having higher efficiency. The rectifier, the electronic rectifier, will be having higher efficiency up to 95%. It's a great efficiency. And the MG set is having two machines, and because of rotating construction and all, it is having very low efficiency. And the rotary converter also will be having comparatively lower efficiency compared to converter, and MG set will be having the least efficiency. The most important things are the cost and efficiency for the operation part. Any designer will be selecting which is having lesser cost and higher efficiency. Next point of concern, it is maintenance cost. Once installed, how it will be costing. The rectifier will be having lesser cost of maintenance, and MG set is having two rotating machine, it is having a high cost, and rotary converter also will be having high cost. And the overloading capacity. Converter rectifier, it is having a capacity of overloading up to 50%, and the MG set cannot be overloaded, and the rotary converter also cannot be overloaded. The power factor of AC side will be having lesser power factor for the converter rectifier. It's a disadvantage for rectifier section, it will be a lower power factor. And MG set also, it is having low power factor, and but rotary converter, it is having a good power factor because it can be acted as a synchronous rotary converter, and power factor will be better. And this is the one point where the rotary converter is having a higher hand. And the next point of comparison is attention, how much attention is requiring during working. The rectifier, it is requiring constant attention for its various parameters, and MG set, it is having comparatively less attention required. Once installed, the user need not complete time check it, all parameters and all, heat everything, it will be good to work. And rotary converter, other hand, it is having no requirement of, at least theoretically, the attention during working. space required, let us see. And because of a same capacity machine, a bigger rectifier will be having high space requirement due to its heat transfer requirements, all other conditions. And MG set is having very high requirement because two machines are there. And the rotary converter, it is having comparatively lower space requirement because it is a single machine. Out of these all points, whatever we have discussed, the latest technology is using, or the present usage is with rectifiers. Why? We know it is having higher efficiency and lesser maintenance, and different points are there which is becoming the popular use to convert AC to DC. And rotary converter may not be produced in this time, and the technician may be required to operate the presently installed rotary converters. And we can say whenever AC supply is available, the first preference will be normal rectifiers. Normal rectifiers in the sense will be having power electronics components.